Baita ka po. Balik ka sa gawa na.
As we've just begun. We're just starting, ladies and gents. I can see the people are coming here towards the center of the area. So I'd like to call in our beautiful MC tonight, none other than Ma'am Pearly.
Maling hapon